friend! It looks like we now have a fire station and a police station in our city. As you can see, the forest stretches way around our town. And you know, a lot of different animals live there. Zowie, that's incredible! The forest has caught fire. Hurry up! We need to call the firefighters. Servicemen and servicewomen are already in place. It's time to get started. But oh no! Our fire trucks can't cope. It's necessary to call in the reinforcements. You need to call the firefighters' rescue helicopter. The helicopter is the best tool when our fire brigade deals with forest fires. Hooray! The fire is extinguished. Now our heroes get to go back to the town and get some much needed rest at the station. My dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Come and visit me more often. Like this video with the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.